Good evening, Stefanie. Well, you won in court. Dudu Myeni is hoping to be able to appeal. What is this move that you're now hoping to get? How does that interrupt the appeal process? What we know about appeals is if you're granted leave to appeal, then the original order is suspended until it's decided on the appeal. Am I right?
Yeah, that is correct. So our application now is an application that you bring before the court saying that the order should be executed pending all these appeal proceedings. So obviously she wants leave to appeal and that she's within her rights to do that. But we are saying, you know what, it was a scathing judgment and we cannot afford her to be a director of companies while this appeal process is continuing. So what we are saying is please execute the order pending obviously the appeal process, so that the order not be suspended.
Is she currently on a number of boards still, despite the court ruling?
Yes. As you've mentioned, she is, for example, still a director of Centlec, and she's also a part of the Jacob Zuma Foundation. Now, she's already been disqualified by CIPC, but unfortunately it's the boards themselves that must remove her as director. Now, obviously, because she has now filed for leave to appeal, that the order of her delinquency declaration is suspended. And that's why we are asking, please execute this delinquency order while she is continuing with her appeal process.
So if the delinquency order comes into force, does that mean she would definitely be denied a leave to appeal? Or could the appeal process still go ahead while the delinquency order is in place?
No, her appeal process can still go ahead. All we are saying is that pending, she first needs to ask leave to appeal. If she gets leave, then it only goes to the Supreme Court of Appeal. If she's unsuccessful there, if she can find a constitutional issue, she can go to the Constitutional Court. Now, if a court gives us an execution order, it is separate from her application for leave to appeal. Although we're going to ask that both of these are argued together, it's two separate applications.
So tell me the timeline. How soon might you get a decision on this? What's at the 18.3 application?
Well, hopefully, our 18.3 application, so the request for the order to be executed, will be heard together with her request for leave to appeal. Now, obviously, we are at the hands of the court, and hopefully we will get a date in the third term. But we are hopeful that both these applications will be heard together.
Thank you very much for that update. That is Stefanie Fick of OUTA.